So right now, you get that pit in your stomach. Something is not feeling right. Something feels a little shaky, right? You don't want to let people know that you made a mistake by hiring that law firm that you heard on that commercial on the rap station, or that you saw the billboard, or you saw on the back of a bus, right? You don't want to admit that you never looked to see how long they've been practicing, how many trials they have, what law school they went to. You don't want to, you didn't do any of that stuff. You just wanted to say, hey, I have a lawyer, right? There's many people that you know don't have lawyers, and you have a lawyer. And y'all know of my lawyer because they're on the rap commercial, they're on television with their ads, they're on billboards all across the valley. But you start getting the sense that this law firm really is not that good. They never talk about their trials. They never talk about where they went to law school. They never talk about what they're about, what they stand for, except for making themselves rich at your expense. See, my name is Garrick McFadden. I'm a Phoenix car accident lawyer. And before I was a Phoenix car accident lawyer with the law firm GAMESQ, I used to be an insurance defense lawyer. I was an in-house insurance defense lawyer at Progressive. I know who the good personal injury lawyers are in Arizona. I went against many of them. I beat most of all of them. I'm actually good at what I do. I've arbitrated cases, went to trial, I've made law in the state of Arizona. I've done stuff. I really am him. I'm one of 12 attorneys that actually went to a top 20 law school here that practice personal injury law here in Arizona, right? But let's say that you are now in that position where you're like, wow, should I get rid of this lawyer? So let's just first start off the times. If you hire that lawyer and it's only been about 2 weeks, fire them, get a new lawyer. No problems. Easy to do. Interview them, okay? If you have been with the lawyer for 4 weeks or more, give me a call, right? Just give me a call. Let's talk about the case, right? Because they might have messed up your case and messed up your money. Because here's the thing, I could take your case, and some other law firms could take your case, but you're not going to be happy because that law firm has a right to put a lien on your proceeds, on any money that you get from a car accident, from the insurance company. They could put a lien on it. And if it's one of the advertising law firms, most of them put liens on people's cases once they leave. And that lien, like if it's been 2 weeks, there should be no lien. But if you've been with the law firm for over 4 weeks, 5 weeks, I can understand a lien. I personally wouldn't do it. I would only do it after I wrote the demand letter out, right? But before that, I'd let you, yeah, go on, be happy somewhere. But you might not be happy because you're not going to be able to put any money in your pocket. Like, I'll be honest, because that lawyer is going to take, it switches over to an hourly rate, and they charge $400 or $500 an hour, and their paralegals charge $200, $300 an hour. So you might not be happy if you come to me because I can't put any money in your pocket, right? And that's not going to make me happy, so I have to discount my fees to make sure that you put money in your pocket. If you've signed up for a lawyer, if you've signed up with a lawyer and you think that it's just not a good fit, you think it's sketch because you're not actually even talking to the lawyer, you're talking to everybody but the lawyer, give me a call and I'll walk you through everything. My phone number is 623-233-4416, and at my law firm, it is your injuries, our fight, your win.